Here's a multiple choice strategy for solving rational equations. This can actually be used with pretty much any equation for multiple choice. What is the solution, if any, of the equation 2 over x plus 3 minus 3 over 4 minus x equals 2x minus 2 over x squared minus x minus 12? So step one is you want to type the left side of the equation into y1. So this whole piece here, I'm going to type into y1. So in my calculator, y1, I have fractions, so I'm going to use alpha y equals, enter, 2 over x plus 3, hit my right arrow so I'm not in the fraction anymore, minus, set up another fraction, alpha y equals, enter, 3, hit my down arrow, 4 minus x. So that's the left side. Then the second step is, this was y1. The second step is to put the right side of the equation into y2. So I'm going to go back to my calculator, go down to y2, set up another fraction, alpha y equals, enter, 2x minus 2, hit my down arrow, x squared minus x minus 12. And now you either want to look for the point of intersection on the graph, or you want to look at your table for when the y values are the same. So let's look at my answer choices. These are x values, so this means x equals -1. So when x equals -1, are my y values the same? The next one is x equals -5. The third one is all real numbers, so if all of my values for y were the same, they matched up in the two columns, that would be my answer. And then 4, if none of those choices work, no real solution means that that would be my answer choice. So let's go to my table. Second graph. Here's my table. I'm going to scroll up, so now you can see I have -5 and I have -1 in the same table. So let me take this table and bring it in so we can take a look at it. So at -5, are my y values, y1 and y2, those two columns, the same? No. So choice 2 is not my answer. -1. At -1, are they the same? Yes. So that could be my answer. Sometimes you got to check more of them, but 3, all real numbers, would mean that every single y values would match up. So the y1 column here and this y2 column here would be identical, and that's not true. And then 4 would be a process of elimination. So that means my answer is -1. So this is a lot shorter than if you were to solve this equation by hand or by algebra. On a multiple choice, you want to use your strategies.